All right, Ms. Russman, we have one more type of compound that we have to learn how to name.
Just one?
Just one.
Okay.
I promise we can get through this, okay? We're going to learn now how to name acids. And the first thing you need to do is recognize an acid, okay?
How do I do that?
It's really easy. All you have to ask yourself is this first question up here. Does it start with an H?
Oh, wow, that's easy.
I mean, like
I can
water, that's its own thing.
Okay.
But it's pretty much the rule most of the time.
Okay.
So does it start with an H? So like we have HCl. Does it start with an H?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. So now we're on our acids flowchart. So does the anion contain oxygen? Do you remember what the anion is?
It's the negative ion, and it's the second half of the compound.
All right, so I'm going to box it right here. Okay.
No oxygen.
No oxygen. So I have no. So I'm going to go this way. And whoa, it's only one step. Okay.
I like that.
So we do hydro. We don't even have to worry about that H. And I'll show you why.
Hydro takes care of the H, huh?
It does. And there's another part that takes care of the H, so I'll show you in a second. The anion root. So basically, that's a little bit confusing.
Okay, so anion would be the chlorine, so I got to take some part of chlorine's name?
Yeah, so what's the most important part of the chlorine?
I would say, well, we dropped the "ene" when we were naming earlier, so I'd just say it would be chlor.
And that's right, because lots of them have "ene" at the end, but chlor makes it chlorine. And then it says add "ic" at the end, hydrochloric. And the other part that tells us it has an H is the word acid. So it's hydrochloric acid.
That was easy.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's do another one. Okay, does it start with H? HNO2.
Yes.
Okay, so we're off to naming acids. Does it have an oxygen?
Yes, it does. Actually, it's got two of them right there.
Okay, so we're going to say yes. Check the ending of the anions. So that's this whole thing.
Oh, so I have to go back to that chart we've been using?
Yeah.
Okay.
And NO2?
NO2 right here. It's ITE.
ITE. Okay, so let's go back. ITE. Oh, right there. Look. If it ends in ite, now it's going to end in OUS. So you take the root. It was nitrite. So we're going to make it ni. That's the root.
Okay.
And we took off the ite, and we're going to put this nitrous acid. And that acid takes care of that H.
This chart is literally telling me how to do it. Wow.
I think you got it. Let's do one more just to make sure.
Okay.
Okay. So, does it start with an H?
Yes.
HNO3, it does. Does it contain an oxygen?
Yes, it does. Whoa, this one's different. The last one had 2 and this one has 3?
Yep. Okay. So we need to check the ending. So remember, we're going to box everything that's not the H. NO3. Okay. Look up NO3.
All right, so we've got it right here, and it ends in ATE, 8.
You're a natural at this, Ms. Russman.
Wow.
Okay, so 8 is right here. And again, we're going to take the root, take off the 8, and put ic on there, nitric acid.
So I could remember this as if I ate too much, I'll feel icky, so 8 turns to ick.
That's a clever trick. I like that. Okay, so you think you got it?
I think I do.
Okay, so let's let them try a little bit. Y'all try these in your packet, okay, under guided practice, and then pause us and come back when you're done.
All right. So if I look at it, I started, actually every single example I'm going to ask myself this question and knock it out is that do they start with H? And obviously they all do. So I start with the first one, and does it have oxygen? And yes, it does. Wow, that's long. So I'm going to go this way, and then I'm going to check the ending of it and everything but my first H. So I'm looking for C2H3O2. That's a big one. Okay, so it's acetate. So I'm going to go back, and I'm changing, so I'm going to have, let's see.
You ate it, and it's icky.
So it's not acetate, but acetic. And then acid.
Good.
Okay. Next one, it starts with an H. Now, this time, it's not a yes. It's actually a no. for oxygens. Wow, that's weird because all the other ones just had 2 letters in them, but that one has 3.
Mm-hmm.
So it says start with hydro, so I'll just go ahead and start writing hydro, and CN, I think it's on that ion page there, polyatomics.
You're right. That's a good memory. Yes, it is.
Okay, so we've got CN right here,
Mm-hmm.
cyanide. So it would be hydrocyanic?
Good.
Okay.
Because that's another one you have ick.
And then acid at the end for my H.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You got it.
All right, last one starts with an H. So does it have oxygen in it? Yes, this one actually does. So I'm changing directions again, and I'm going to check my ending for ClO2. So I go to my chart. ClO2 is chlorite. So I look at chlorite. So I'm going to say it's chlorus.
You got it.
Acid.
Perfect.
All right. Thanks.
Okay.